Hey everyone, welcome to your private Pennsylvania getaway, tucked away on 17 peaceful acres here in Irwin. This place isn't just a home, it's an experience where nature, privacy, and possibility all come together in one perfect spot. As we head up the long private drive, you can already feel it, that calm, that quiet. Surrounded by open land and mature trees, this home gives you space to breathe and dream a little bigger. Now, step inside with me. You're going to love how bright and welcoming this home feels. The main living area opens up with tons of natural light pouring through the windows. It's warm, it's peaceful, and it's ready for your personal touch. Right off the living room, the kitchen gives you plenty of counter space and cabinetry, perfect for those who love to cook or for anyone who wants to design their own dream kitchen someday. Now, check this out, the primary suite. It's spacious, private, and features a walk-in closet that feels endless. And the bathroom? It's like your own little spa, complete with a jetted soaking tub for those long, relaxing evenings. Upstairs and down the hall, you've got two more bedrooms, perfect for guests, a home office, or even a cozy reading room. With 3 bathrooms in total, there's comfort and convenience for everyone. But what really sets this property apart is what's waiting outside. Step out onto the deck, look at this view. 17 acres of peace, privacy, and potential. Whether you want to garden, explore, or just sit under the stars at night, this is your blank canvas to build the life you've always imagined. So if you've been dreaming of a home that feels like a retreat, surrounded by nature, yet still close to town, this is it. Welcome home to your private 17-acre scape here in beautiful Irwin, Pennsylvania, where every day feels like a getaway.